Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kayla. If you're new, if you are new, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. We would love to have you over here. If you're not new, welcome back. Y'all, we are doing part 2 of my closet clean out. If you guys watched, it might have been 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, I posted my part 1. I was supposed to be doing all of my dresses, but I didn't like the footage when I was doing the colored dresses, so I decided to just scrap it, and we only did black, white, and gray. Well, in this video, we're gonna do colored dresses. I think I'm gonna do like jumpsuits because I don't have a lot of them. I'm not really like a jumpsuit girl. I think I'm gonna also do coats and stuff because I'm not really a coat girl either. And then I think if I'm up to it, we're gonna do 2-piece sets. I don't have a lot of them, but I have more of those than coats and jumps. I don't know, we'll just see how we feel. But yeah, that is what we are doing today. If you guys like this type of content, definitely like the video. We do a lot of like clothing content over here on this channel, so we would love to have you guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it because it's Sunday. It's 80 degrees outside in Charlotte, and baby, I'm trying to get outside, so let's go ahead and get this done. I still really like this. I wore this, I think, was it last year or the year before for Valentine's Day? It has like these shoulder pads, cut out detail in the back. I think it's still really cute. So I think I'm gonna keep this. Really fold this part down like it's supposed to. But yeah, this is still really cute. I love that it ruches on the side, has a little split on the side, still super cute. I love this dress. I don't know if you guys can tell, but first of all, I love this color. Like, you guys can see the last few dresses have been kind of in this color. I'm not zippering or doing any of that right now because I don't feel like it, but this has got to be like my most favorite dress. It has these little sleeves that make it so cute. I'm all the way clothed, but still extremely sexy. I love, love, love this dress. It hugs you in all the right places, shows all the curves. There would be a zipper in the back. Booty looks good, baby. This is probably my favorite dress. I have not worn this dress yet. I still am trying to work on this stomach before I even wear this out, but this is super cute, and it matches my nails. Did y'all see my nails? This is such a good maxi dress from Fashion Nova. I wouldn't wear this out by myself because y'all know my biggest insecurities about my body right now as I'm trying to lose this weight are my arms. My big old arms and my big old belly, right? But if I threw this on with a cute little, I mean, I could even put like a sheer type of, not sweatshirt because it's a sheer, but you know, like I can make this look like something in the summertime. Love the color. It's a perfect maxi dress for the summer. If you feel comfortable going out in just this, it is double lined, so you don't have to worry about that. Nice and like thick, stretchy material. I love this dress. It's so cute. I can't wait to get this weight off of me. But for right now, this is what we got. And I'm gonna keep this because I do like this. Dang, we're not doing so good with this color. I'm telling y'all, I love this color. But I think we're gonna go ahead and give this one away. It is just like a little midi. It's cute. But it's kind of thin. I've worn this as much as I'm gonna wear this, and I just don't feel the need to keep it anymore. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Y'all, I'm not doing all this buttoning, but y'all can see the dress. It's just like a really nice jean dress. Very, very cute, very stretchy, maxi. I love this. It's from Fashion Nova. It does have this little belt that you can belt right here. Buttons are functional all the way down. It is a maxi dress, y'all. I just don't feel the need. I can't be bothered with all the buttons right now. So, but I do love this. I wouldn't wear this spring and summer. This is kind of heavy for that. I would probably wear this more fall, winter, but super cute. Y'all, I love this army green. I think this is so pretty. The boob part is a little weird for me. I don't know. The chest part is kind of like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's just weird. There's like kind of no structure to it or anything like that, and I just feel like it looks weird on the chest. wanted to love this dress so bad, but I don't. It's so girly, which is why I like it. Like I do feel like I am very much like a girly girl, but there's a couple things I don't like about this dress. So number one, my chest will never fit into the designated area, and I'm just really not like a big cleavage type of person. I don't want my chest on full display. I also don't like I love the frill at the bottom. Y'all see how cute that is? It's just giving girly. Perfect like spring dress. But I hate how the slit is like outlined under here. Like I think it looks, I think that's weird, you know? I love the pattern. I love the print, like the flowers and all that stuff, which I'm really not like a print girl. So I'm surprised I even like it. But I'm not a fan of this, that you can actually like see this outline. I think it's weird. So for that reason, I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm not sure if I really like how it looks on me as a dress. Don't mind the shorts, but I'm showing this to y'all because I am going to keep this just for the simple fact that I like stuff like this to throw over other things. Like if I was actually wearing just like imagine this jumpsuit under here being just like a two-piece white outfit, and then I have this on, two-piece like white short outfit, and then I have this on just thrown over it. This is like how I would wear this. It does have pockets, and I love the color. It's so bright, so I am going to keep it for that reason, but I would not wear this as a dress, even though technically it is like a tunic type of dress. So yep, like the collar. It's just cute, throw on. Yeah. I think this dress is so cute for just like a date night. It's very girly, but it kind of gives me like salsa. I think I would want to wear this if somebody was taking me dancing or something. Not that I can dance because I can't, but if I wanted to go out and try to dance, I think it would be cute. If y'all don't know, like I am really like, I would say girly. I love like fringe and stuff like that. I just think it's so cute. It's like the perfect color. Number one, the red is so bold, and it hugs the curves in all the right places. Very girly, fringy at the end, cute little sandal. I like this. I think it's cute. Red crushed velvet piece. This is from Fashion Nova. It is like kind of ruched, so it does hide. It just feels so good. If it was zipped, it would be like an exposed silver zipper. It's like the perfect date night dress. I would absolutely have to figure out what to do with my chest. I would have to do some kind of taping or holding up or something. I don't know. I would have to figure that out. But I don't know. It's just waiting on its moment. I want to keep it though because I feel really comfortable in this. I think it looks good on my body, and I would absolutely wear this on a date night somewhere. So for like Valentine's Day or something. Y'all, this is one of my dresses that are like, I want to get in this one day. So this is also from Fashion Nova. I don't even think I can get in this. I'm gonna try, but I don't think I can. But let's try. Last time I tried to put it on, I couldn't even get in it because it won't go over like my hips. And honestly, y'all, I don't know if I'll ever be able to get into this. This is like it's like a satiny type of situation from Fashion Nova. It's one shoulder. I'm sure you guys can see. One shoulder. It's like that pinkish color that I like, but it does not stretch at all. This is in a size extra large. I just do not think I'm going to be able to get into this. I might reorder this I was going to say a 1X, but I might need to go to a 2X because if they even have it in that, because there's just no stretch, and I got these big legs, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and let this one go. This is cute. I just would not want to sit here and do this every time. Like, who got time for that? I wish it was just regular sleeves. Anyways, this is what it looks like, y'all. But the length on it is perfect. It is kind of like see-through, so you would absolutely have to wear something under this. But yeah, it makes my body look really good. I really do like this. It is that like swimsuit material as like the other dress that I showed y'all, but I just like the length of this. I think this is like the perfect brunch date with your friends type of dress, or man, or whoever, girl, whoever. I think I'm gonna keep it. I haven't worn it yet. I do like it. I like the print. I like the blue. It's just this, I would have to get this all the way together, but we don't have time for that in this video, but I'm gonna keep this one. I don't even know if I can get in this dress. So let me just show it holding it up just in case I can't. It's a very, I love this blue. I'm starting to realize that I really do, like, I'm a blue girl. I do like the blue, but it's a one shoulder type of situation. It has a slit right here. It's a midi. I don't know if I'll be able to get in this, y'all. I don't know. I don't even want to try it. I don't want to try it because I can't get into it. It's too, I mean, I could probably get into it, but it's like, I'm not going to wear this. This is size extra large. Never worn this. Very, very pretty blue color, but I'm just going to let it go. Probably the shortest dress that I own. I'm not really like a short dress type of girl, okay? I'm really like a midi maxi type of girl, but I really do like this dress. I feel like if I lost a little bit more weight, I would feel more comfortable in it. It does have like it's not a wrap dress by any means, but it has like these buttons down here, so it kind of gives the wrap effect, and it's kind of asymmetrical at the front. It's just a really cute dress, which I feel like I said, if I dropped a couple more pounds, which y'all know I'm in the process of doing, I would feel a little bit more comfortable in. I do want to wear this before I give it away. So I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep it. We'll see what it's giving next fall. It's cute. Right now, looking at it like with these leggings on, it looks like I'm going to dance class or something, but yeah. Linen dress right here. I thought I was gonna keep it because I mean I can get it up, but it's really not that serious. It doesn't fit. It's just a little too tight, and you see like where the chest part is supposed to be here. It doesn't make sense to keep this. It's very short. You can see it does zip, so I can zip it. I can zip it, but it just doesn't make sense to, like, because my chest wouldn't sit right in it. It's just, y'all, I'm just being very honest with myself and knowing that I'm not going to wear this stuff. So let me just let it go. We have made it to the last dress that I own. I'm going to slip this on, let you guys know if I'm going to keep it or not. And then we're going to try our jackets and coats and things over this since it's such a neutral. Got this from Amazon. Perfect little summer dress. Love the length of it. Has a cute little slit. Whatever, not mini, tube, and then it does have like the little sticky part so it can stay up. I love this dress. I'm absolutely going to keep this. Let me go grab my jackets so we can kind of go through those. I am so tired, like trying on, oh my God, and I got the hiccups. Sorry. Trying on every piece of clothing that you own is not an easy task. I think I said this in the last video, but it really is not. Like, but I wanted to be very intentional about getting rid of things that I know that I'm not going to wear. You know, like I know that I'm not going to wear them. Even if I do lose the weight, I want them gone, you know? So I wanted to make sure that I tried on literally everything that I own. I told you guys that I was also going to try to do the 2-piece sets today. It's not going to happen, y'all. I'm tired. Look at my hair. I'm a mess. I have not eaten all day today. I still got to put all this crap back up. So hopefully this video is at least 20 minutes. Just doing the rest of the dresses and all of my coats and jackets. But even if it's not, girl, this is what I can give this week. I'm sorry. Anyways, y'all, in the next closet declutter, we're going to go through 2-piece sets. I don't have a lot of them. I probably could have knocked them out in this video, but I just don't feel like it, if I'm being honest, okay? And we love honesty, right? Don't we all love honesty? Like, raise your hand if you love honesty, okay? But we're going to go ahead and do 2-piece sets in the next video, and maybe like skirts. Maybe I'll do skirts, and then in the last episode we'll do all of my shirts and my pants, I think. Yeah, that's what it's giving. So we're almost done. We're almost done with this closet declutter series for this year. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. If you have, let me know down below. Let me know if there's anything that I decluttered that you feel like I should have kept. Is there anything that I kept that you feel like I should have decluttered? Have you decluttered already this year? I know I'm late, y'all. I'm late. I should have been done this. We talked about this at the beginning of the year, and baby, I'm just getting to it. But better late than never, right? Anyways, y'all, I'm about to get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, okay? Like, comment, do all the things. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.